Welcome back to a new video. In this video we have already configured the redistribution. The whole redistribution is been done, so this video will be just verifying that one. So when I go to the OSPF, I should be able to see my 222, 3 and 33 routes. So let's go ahead and do the verification now. If I say do show IP route, and I should get 2, which I have got it here, and I should get 22, which I have got it here. And now with the BGP RIP, I have 3 and 33, so 3 I got it here and 33 I got it here. So the verification is good, so we got the routes over here, all the loopbacks. I'll go back to my RIP now and I should see 111 and 222. So if I go back to my RIP now, if I say that do show IP route, right, so this is the 1 and this is the 2 and this is the 11 and this should be 22 over here. Now I will go back to my BGP. In BGP I should see 111 and 333. So yep, I'll just do one more time. So do show IP route, and now you can see this is 1 and this is 3 and another one is 11 and this one is 33. So now at this moment, if you think that I have done the redistribution only on FTD, I have not provided any commands of any of these routers. So I've done only redistribution on FTD and we are able to ping from one end to the another end. So now at this point I do have whole connectivity with respect to end-to-end connectivity. So I will go back to my OSPF router, otherwise this one is outside, so I will go back to my BGP router and I will try to communicate with 111, 3 and 33 and I will end this verification video. So I'm on my BGP now, so do ping 1.1.1 with source to back 0. I'm able to ping, and do ping 11, 11, 11 and 11 with source to back 0 and source to back 1. So all good with that one. So do ping 3.3.3 with source to back 0 and source to back 1, and do ping 33.33.33.33 with source to back 0 and with source to back 1. So we have successfully redistributed all the protocols within this one. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video.